insurance. At present, there is a rise in the demand for healthcare insurance among the masses due to increasing medical costs. This, coupled with the growing geriatric population, represents one of the key factors offering a favorable market outlook in India. Besides this, the Government of India is launching various schemes, such as the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, PMJ, Ayushman Bharat Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, and Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana, ABI, to provide health insurance to the economically weaker section of the country. They are also providing comprehensive healthcare facilities to central government pensioners and officials under the Central Government Health Scheme, CGHS, in the country. COVID-19 insurance policy. COVID-19 insurance, like many other life insurance products, provides financial protection against the most terrifying human life event, death. In light of this, the Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, IRDAI, authorized two basic COVID-19 health insurance policies, Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak, to help consumers protect themselves from the financial burden of COVID-19 medical bills. Favorable policy measures support growth. 1. Strengthening of pharmaceutical industry, SPI, the ministry's scheme, strengthening of pharmaceutical industry, SPI, with a total financial outlay of 60.9 million United States dollars, 500 crore rupees, extends support required to existing pharma clusters and MSMEs across the country to improve their productivity, quality and sustainability. 2. Scheme for development of pharma industry, umbrella scheme. The Department of Pharmaceuticals has prepared an umbrella scheme, namely, Scheme for Development of Pharma Industry, which comprises of the following sub-schemes. Assistance to bulk drug industry for common facilitation centers. Assistance to medical device industry for common facilitation centers or assistance to pharmaceutical industry, CDPPS. Pharmaceutical Promotion and Development Scheme, PPDS, or Pharmaceutical Technology Upgradation Assistance Scheme, PTUAS. 3. Support for technology upgrades and FDIs. Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, ABDM. Under the ABDM, citizens will be able to create their Ayushman Bharat Health account numbers, to which their digital health records can be linked. This will enable creation of longitudinal health records for individuals across various healthcare providers and improve clinical decision making by healthcare providers. The pilot of ABDM is completed in the 6 union territories of Ladakh, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep with successful demonstration of technology platform developed by the NHA. During the pilot, Digital Sandbox was created in which more than 774 partner solutions are undergoing integration. As of September 4, 2023, 450,164,619 Ayushman Bharat Health accounts have been created and 224,967 doctors and 218,602 health facilities have been registered in ABDM. 4. Promotion of medical devices parks. Objective of the scheme is creation of world-class infrastructure facilities in order to make Indian medical device industry a global leader. Easy access to standard testing and infrastructure facilities through creation of world-class common infrastructure facilities for increased competitiveness will result into significant reduction of the cost of production of medical devices, leading to better availability and affordability of medical devices in the domestic market. 5. Production-linked incentive. In September 2020, the government announced Production-Linked Incentive (PLI) scheme for the pharmaceutical industry worth 15,000 crore rupees, $2.04 billion. The Production-Linked Incentive (PLI) scheme was introduced to encourage Indian manufacturers to produce critical key starting materials, KSMs, drug intermediates, DIS, and active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs. To support this, the government granted funds worth $932.66 million. PLI scheme envisages manufacturing of 41 bulk drugs with a total outlay of 6,940 crore rupees, $838.16 million during the tenure of the scheme from 2020-21 to 2029-30. 6. Interim Budget 2024-25. In the Interim Budget 2024-25, the government earmarked $120 million, 1,000 crore rupees, for the promotion of bulk drug parks for free 25, a significant increase from the previous year. The total outlay for the development of the pharmaceutical industry for free 25 was increased to $156.5 million, 1,300 crore rupees, while the budget for the promotion of medical device parks was raised to $18 million, 150 crore rupees, for FY25. The allocation for assistance to medical device clusters for common facilities, AMDCF, was pegged at $4.1 million, 40 crore rupees, for FY25. The outlay for the Jan Aushadhi scheme, the initiative to provide affordable generic medicines in the country, was hiked to $34 million, Rs. 284.5 crore, for free 25, up from $13 million, 110 crore rupees, in the revised estimate for FY24.